Okay, hello. So today I think I found something that can change the life, you know, entering to the scene of the music making for pretty much everyone. For anyone who don't even know how to do that. I have a problem with rhythm. I know what I want to hear, but I don't know how to make that. So I went with a pretty simple solution. Edison is giving. Oh no. FL Studio is having you a free plugin. It's called Edison. So you can record audio into that and make it into pitch. Well, kinda. Let me try. For example. I'm not sure if it's like good enough, but hey, it's enough. You press file, you press right click mouse, and here's regions, and you go to detect pitch regions. And this thing locates all the pitches for you. So C4, D4, D sharp 4, etc., etc. I have no idea what I just sung, but okay. For example, I have a guitar here. Not the best one, but whatever. We're just gonna do it as a test. It is like insanely simple, insanely stupid, and you know, C4, this one. Let's go. We don't need to make it the request. C4, D4. Where's D4? I'm not good with music making, I'm gonna be honest. There is a way to make it all visible, but I'm not sure how to make the markers. UNs? Nope. I'm sorry. Give me a second. I have no idea. It should be showing the things, but sadly it doesn't because I'm stupid. Anyway, I just pressed something. Oh, okay. Here we go. So C4, D4. Where's D? No, wait. D4. D4 sharp actually goes for a pretty long while. Try to make. I never did it before, so I'm just kind of like seeing it myself for the first time. D4 sharpening. This is this one. And this one goes longer. This one. Then it goes to B3. B3. Wait, where's B? Is it B3? Where's B3? Here, oh, my bad. Anyway, this one is pretty short. Like that. B3, F sharp. It goes F sharp again. Let's try. Da-na-na-na. Na-na, da-na-na-na-na. It kind of sounds good enough, I'm gonna be honest. It is working like it's intended to work. I have no idea how to make actual song. Oh wait, my bad. So it works. Use this free tip if you want to make music yourself without even know how to make music. And yeah, have fun making it. Good luck.